Hi, this is Eddie Bickers, and I'm with Materials Marketing in Dallas. And we are back in University Park, and I wanted to show you the pool that is under construction, and just so that you could see the beautiful hand-painted Arto brick. I think it turned out really amazing, so I'll try to get you some good close-up shots here. It is still under construction, and then we're also going to be tiling. If you can see, let me see if I can tilt it. Above there's the balcony up there. We're going to be tiling that balcony as well, and it hasn't come in yet. So once that's done, I will be back. And here we are at the side of the house, and I wanted you to see the side steps this time. They turned out pretty well, even though they're dirty at the moment. Let's see what you think. Each one has a different pattern, but they're going to be amazing once they're all cleaned up. So I'll take you to the front again. Now we're at the front part of the house, and you see these steps. The front part of the house, the doors are going to get replaced, so those will all be new. Then I'm going to walk over to the front so that you can see the tiles at the front. They turned out so pretty. I love them. And then all we have to do next is at the front, we're going to be tiling the base here, which that's going to be so beautiful. I can't wait. And then we'll keep going from there. I'll see you next time.